Dear candidate, you people are standing on the benchmark to submit your final year project. Today we will be discussing if you have not prepared your own final year project by yourself, then what problem will you face? Under the IGNOU University, the candidates are allowed to prepare their own project under a eligible guide. You can select your guide, the person who either have completed PhD, MTech, BE, BTech or MCA, MSc in computer science with minimum 2-year experiences in industry or teaching line. This has been observed that most of the candidates have not prepared their final year project by themselves. In fact, the project proposal which they have already submitted, that too was not prepared by themselves. Most of the students have purchased the project along with the project proposal either from online sources or other offline media. It has been also found that they have allowed somebody else, either their relatives or their teacher, to prepare the project on their behalf. What problem will those students face in their near future? Had the project been developed by the student themselves, then all the logic and implementation would have been known to the student. But if the student have not developed the project by themselves, then nothing will be known to them. In this case, it will be very clear to the examiner that who have developed the project. So make sure that you should not lose confidence in front of the examiner. During the project viva, the examiner will ensure that the project which was submitted is prepared by the candidate themselves or somebody else have done it for them. The examiner will play tricks with the candidate by asking several questions which are directly related to the project. They will make sure that how much involvement does the candidate have in the project. The examiner will ask about the logic, the methodology, the functions and the implementation of the project. If the project is not prepared by the candidate, nothing will be known to the candidate. In that case, it will be very easy for the examiner to identify that the candidate have zero involvement in the project. If the project has been developed and prepared by the candidate themselves, then all the logic, the content flow and data flow was known to the candidate, because the candidate have prepared the project by themselves, and in that case all the methodology was known to the candidate. So it will be a very transparent scenario to identify whether the project is prepared by the candidate themselves or somebody else have done it for them. If you submit duplicate final year project, then what problem will you face? Most of the cases it has been also observed that some candidate have copied some others candidate project. So maybe more than 1 or 2 candidates are submitting same project during the final year. So in that case it will be easily identified, and all the project which will appear similar will be rejected. In most of the cases, it has been observed that candidate purchase a project and they share it to their friend, and all 4 or 5 friends are submitting similar project. So in that case, it will be rejected. If more than one student submits same final year project, then will their project be accepted? As I have already told you, duplicate project will be rejected. If a candidate have submitted a duplicate project by copying from their friend, then that project, in fact both the projects will be rejected. Students have to work on a particular topic. More than one student can decide to work on a same topic. There is no restriction. Let us assume Ravi, Suresh, Riya and Monalisa may decide to work on a topic that is e-commerce portal. So there is no restriction. In spite of that, Somen and Pradipta decide to work on a same topic. It will still never possible for both of them to design similar looking ERD diagram under the circumstances where both of them are working separately. If duplicates are found, then it will be quite clear that either Somen or Pradipta had copied each other project, and if these things are found, then both of their project will be rejected. So they have to be very careful before submitting their project. Students have to prepare their own project. It will never possible for both the person to design and think similarly. In spite of being Mrinal and Shivani working on a same title, that is e-commerce portal, it will never going to possible that both of them will draw similar looking data flow diagram while both of them are working separately. So if this will be found that duplicate data flow diagram has been presented by more than one student, then it will be very clear and identified by the examiner that either of the students have copied each other project. In that case, your project will be rejected. It will never be possible that Swati and Biswajit submit same coding when both of them are working separately on a similar project. So if that will be found, then it will be identified that both of them have submitted duplicate project. Either they have copied from each other or both of them have purchased from a similar source. In that case, both of their project will be rejected. It is never possible for more than one student to design similar looking logging form. It signifies that each and every individual are having different way of thinking, and their thought process affect the way they implement in a particular work. In spite of that, many people are working in a similar kind of project. Their implementation will be different from one another. That is how each people are being separated from one another. That is where the discrimination will take place among different candidates. If you are not confident enough to prepare your own final year project, then how will you overcome the problem? Students who are doing their graduation under the IGNOU University couldn't manage regular time for their studying. This is mostly because they involve in several other activities. Therefore, it it is quite unfair to compare the students of IGNOU University with the students of other university. Due to the pandemic situation in last 1.5 years, the classes which was allowed to be held under the study center were not being conducted due to the rising COVID-19 cases. In this scenario, students of final year couldn't manage to prepare their own project, and without having no option, most of them had decided to purchase the project either from online sources or offline. But as I have already told you, the Viva session is very important. You have to convince the examiner that the project is prepared by you, and you have not allowed somebody else to develop the project for you. You have to answer all the questions of the examiner with confidence. For doing that, you have to do lot of homework. Set a meeting with the person who have developed the project for you and accumulate some basic information. If you have not prepared the project by yourself, then you need to know the concept and implementation of the particular project. Know the logic which is implemented in the project. Understand the data flow diagram which is designed in the project. Understand the entity relationship diagram of the particular project. Work out with the relation among tables of the database. That is very common questions which are normally asked by the examiner. And at last but not the least, why you have prepared that kind of project. This is most of the time it is being asked. So you have to answer with full confidence in front of the examiner all these questions when it will be asked to you. And the final question, why you have decided to prepare this kind of project. You have to explain this with confidence. Let not miss any chance. Once you will be able to convince the examiner that this project is prepared by yourself and nobody else have designed this for you. Once you will be able to do this, you will secure very good marks. And if you once prove that you have not prepared the project, then that time you may face a serious problem. So be very careful while answering these questions before the examiner. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Subscribe the channel.